Right, so if you have iOS 27 on your iPhone, there's a new feature or new album in the Photos app called Captured by Me. Now, generally, if you go to the Photos app, then you'll find photos that other people sent to you from AirDrop. You might even see some downloads you've made. Now, these are not all photos you've taken and videos you've taken. Now, there's a new folder when you go to your gallery and then go to collections, and then under collections, you go to this utility section. This is where you can find the main albums or folders. There's a new folder here called Captured by Me. So you tap on that, and that only shows you everything that has actually been captured by you on your iPhone. Okay, so that's a new thing on iOS. Before, everything used to be mixed up, including screenshots, including AirDrop files and folders. This is only Captured by Me. So that's how to find that and use it in iOS 27 on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Good luck.